Vermont. That's where you met her. Emily, I love this. Yeah. I think we're playing
The Davis Elementary School community helped select the new building, which reflects the up-to-date learning space that we will flourish in. Our current building, which was constructed in 1964, was built for 1960s education. It has served many generations well, but we have outgrown the space and recognize that our building need to change to meet the current student needs and community needs. The new facility that we will break ground on today will be much more supportive of 21st century public education.
Thank you for coming out. Another opportunity we get to celebrate a great collaboration between the county, Board of Supervisors, Dr. Casey's office, and the school board and our district office staff. This is going to be a beautiful building. We're really excited how it's going to help the staff, the students, and the community as well.
Now is the right time to replace Davis Elementary School with a larger 21st century building. Despite renovations and improvements over the decades, it's showing its age. The new building will better reflect the importance our community places on education.
Right.
I love that the new building is going up next to the current building because students and staff members are going to be able to watch its progress and anticipate moving into it in 2025. Sorry.
Oh, wow.
1, 2, 3, go.